Rob Hull. I'm the CFO and VP Professional Services at Adaptive Planning. Adaptive Planning provides a software as a service budgeting, forecast, and reporting solution to mid-market and division of large enterprise companies. We needed an integration solution to allow us to pull financial data out of any number of general ledger ERP systems, as well as things like an HRIS system or just simply from files or other data stores. Small footprint, very lightweight agent. We needed to be able to connect to any number of different ERP or general ledger systems. It needed to be sort of fast and easy. A small agent is downloaded, installed at the site, connected to the on-premise application. Data is extracted, transformed, and then loaded to our SaaS application. And shortly we'll be implementing a SaaS to SaaS integration, all of which will reside in the cloud, and also going from SaaS to on-premise, just sort of reversing the direction and going back the other way. So we've integrated to a number of different ERP solutions, from very large and on the large end, SAP R3, Oracle Financials, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, down to the small QuickBooks on the smaller side, and a number of applications in the middle as well. Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains, Dynamics Solomon, Mass 90, Mass 500, as well as then integrating to or connecting to just generic data sources, SQL Server, flat files. Specific criteria for us really centered around what our customer experience needed to be like. We work with non-technical customers. It's the finance organization primarily, and so we were looking for a solution that A, was easy to implement, and B, really didn't require much technical knowledge on the customer's part. What we found was that Pervasive offered both sort of a light footprint agent that we could install remotely, that the process of essentially transforming data could be done by our professional services staff without a lot of technical knowledge and training, and that overall Pervasive was sort of an easy company to work with in terms of the licensing structure that we set up, in terms of the support that they gave us in building the agent initially, and then in working with them to do the individual integrations. Today, with Pervasive in place, we're now able to, in the sales process and in the implementation process, really talk about live integration that can be executed on demand or at any time on a schedule, and that is fully automated in a way that doesn't require human interaction to manage and manipulate those files. And that's important to our customers, both in terms of just time efficiency. They really don't have to do work in the process of extracting and loading data. But it's also a security, a compliance, a fraud issue of making sure that there isn't something that can go wrong in the middle of the integration process, and having that fully automated provides us with a very strong story there. That's a big win for us. It makes the integration project fast, low cost to us, but more importantly, low cost to the client, and a fairly seamless process overall. I think Metamorphosis has been great. I was talking to someone earlier about having been here on the other side of the table, and this time, seeing the same thing, talking to prospective customers of yours about problems that they're trying to solve and explaining to them what we've seen, how we've approached it. I think it's very helpful for, probably for both sides. I'm learning new things here as well and hoping to implement some of the new solutions that you guys have brought out since we first started working with you.